Are inhalers available over the counter? Have you ever wondered if you can just walk into a store and buy an inhaler? This is a common question, especially for those who might need one for asthma or other respiratory issues. Inhalers, which are devices that deliver medication directly into the lungs, are generally not available over the counter in most countries. The reason for this is that these medications requiring a prescription from a healthcare professional. This is important because the use of inhalers involves proper diagnosis, dosing, and monitoring to ensure safety and effectiveness. Common inhalers include those used for asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. They deliver medications such as bronchodilators and corticosteroids. These medications need careful management due to potential side effects. For example, corticosteroid inhalers help reduce inflammation in the airways but requiring medical supervision to avoid complications. Bronchodilator inhalers are used to open airways during asthma attacks, but they must be used according to prescribed instructions. Because of these factors, inhalers are almost always dispensed only with a prescription from a licensed healthcare provider. There are some exceptions, though. Some inhaler-like devices, such as nicotine inhalers used for smoking cessation, may be available over the counter in certain regions. These devices deliver nicotine to help reduce withdrawal symptoms. However, it's important to note that these nicotine inhalers do not treat respiratory diseases like asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Another aspect to consider is the long-term use of inhaled corticosteroids. While inhalers themselves are not directly related to osteoporosis, certain inhaled corticosteroids, if used over long periods or in high doses, may have systemic effects that could impact bone health. Corticosteroids can reduce bone density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Therefore, individuals who have or are at risk for osteoporosis and requiring inhaled corticosteroids should discuss bone health management with their healthcare provider. In summary, inhalers for respiratory conditions such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease are not available over the counter and requiring a prescription. Nicotine inhalers for smoking cessation may be available over the counter but serve a different purpose. Long-term use of inhaled corticosteroids can affect bone health, which is an important consideration for people concerned about osteoporosis. Proper medical evaluation and prescription are essential for safe and effective inhaler use. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice regarding inhalers and your health needs.